Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were going through Vinted, but basically you are getting the something went wrong error. This is usually a temporary system or connection issue. Well, the good news is it's often easy to fix. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix something went wrong message on Vinted in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So if you are using the app, try refreshing it by closing the app completely, then you open it. So if the app doesn't basically work, we can try going through Vinted.com, tap on the website, and go log in using your email address and password. And if it still doesn't work, it's probably from your internet connection. So you should switch networks or turn on airplane mode, then turn it back off. So if you are using the app, you can try and update it by installing the latest version from your App Store or Google Play Store. Then try to clear the cache on Android by going through settings, apps, look for Vinted, storage, then clear the cache. You can also basically just wait and try again later. Sometimes this is a server issue, just like wait for 1 hour, 30 minutes and try again. You should also check social media or any basically outage websites to see if Vinted is experiencing system-wide issues. All you're gonna do is go through Google and look for Vinted system updates or system issues, and you will be able to see any updates. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.